When I was a child, I used to spend a lot of time with my grandfather. He had been a pilot early in his life, and every Sunday after lunch, he would sit me on his lap, and I would become captivated by his tales of distant lands and tropical countries. Since then, I've always referred to him as Hawk. He was my hero, and all I wanted growing up was to be just like him. I'll never forget those winter days at their place, and the summer road trips to the countryside. If I close my eyes, I can still picture him sitting by the backyard, bursting into laughter. I'm not quite sure if I can remember the sound of his voice anymore. I think when he passed away, it was the first time my heart truly broke. Officially, my grandfather's name was James, but to me, he'll always be Hawk. Earlier this year, my mum stumbled upon his watch tucked away in a dusty drawer, and she handed it to me as a birthday present. She said he would have loved for me to have it. My grandfather's watch will continue his legacy. It deserves a second life, and a container that safeguards its significance and keeps his story alive.
Cada grabado personalizado es una historia, una fecha, un nombre o una palabra con un significado especial. Una marca que hace singular a cada pieza. El sello se arma letra por letra usando tipos de bronce, y este debe quedar en el lugar preciso, alineado milimétricamente con plantillas hechas a la medida. Solo tenemos una oportunidad. No hay margen de error. Aplicamos la presión exacta a la temperatura correcta sobre el cuero para asegurar que el grabado perdure por generaciones. Como artesanos, nos apasiona crear piezas únicas que te acompañen a lo largo de la vida y que cuenten tu historia.